A child prodigy, the young Anthony van Dyck was already producing masterful portraits by the age of 14. He spent his formative teen years and early 20s under the tutelage of Paul Rubens, who recognized Van Dyck's ability, assigning him not only to assist, but collaborate on numerous important projects. His skill and ambition earned him commissions to the royal courts throughout Europe, and Rubens trusted him to manage his workshop and incoming requests while he traveled for lengthy diplomatic service commitments. While the influence of Rubens and Titian are apparent, Van Dyck developed an individual style, more refined and sensitive than his teachers. His most notable contributions to art history are his inventive, perceptive portraits. And his paintings, like Image's Madonna and Child, have an inherent power that moves the viewer to compassion. Van Dyck died at the young age of 42. For his short life, he left behind a surprisingly prolific body of work, which only reveals his energy and industriousness.